Hey everyone, this is Keith, Power Platform Team Lead at Innovia Consulting, and today I'm showing you some manufacturing dashboards that you can get from Innovia Consulting and start using in your business today. So what you're looking at now is what we call our app home. It's a dashboard that shows us visualizations from several different reports within the report pack. You can see all kinds of different things like how much of our costs are going into specific products, what our total purchasing is, what we've produced, all kinds of interesting metrics like that. So let's say we want to know more about our production. We just click on the visualization and it brings us into the more detailed report. As you can see, this report tells us all kinds of things about our production orders out there, including how many items we're producing, our costs, our expected margin, and what we think we're going to get, our workload for each month, but between both finished and released out there. So you can take a look and see, are we getting ahead? Are we behind? That kind of thing. And we can also track metrics. These are conditional, so they turn green if they're good and red if they're not so good. And so in this case, we've got 32% late orders, which is not a great situation. So that tells us more information about that, including all the orders that's affected. In this case, we have a low scrap percentage. So that's good to see. That's within our bounds that we've set. This is cool because it's an AI generated narrative over on the side that basically reads everything on this page and decide what you might want to take a look at. So you can see that it's sort of summarized some of the information that you're seeing and points out some of the key points. So yeah, hopefully there's a lot more to this report pack. We've got things like this itemized report for your production order. We've got a purchasing and usage reports, as well as your inventory changing over time. A whole lot to explore, but I hope this has given you sort of a brief intro to what you can expect with a manufacturing dashboard pack with Innovia Consulting Power BI. The Power BI team is ready to help you if you would like to expand or customize these as well. Just reach out to us today. Feel free to get the conversation started with Innovia Consulting. Hope to talk to you soon.